We shall see. Thanks to Democrats and BLM, New York City is looking like it did in the pre-Giuliani era, where even the most depraved criminal acts were met with a shrug. Case in point, yesterday in broad daylight, a Bronx teenager was stabbed 3 times and then set on fire during a dispute. He died at the hospital. And this is how a friend of former Bush NSC member Mike Doran described his New York City neighborhood. He wrote, "An elderly man enjoying dinner with his wife, punched in the face. A woman waiting for the subway to come, stabbed in the back. An older neighbor pausing to catch his breath, told to pay $2 in protection money or get the F off that particular street." Here to respond is someone who played a lead role in cleaning up New York City in the 90s. I was there, former New York Police Department Commissioner Bernie Kerik. Bernie, the cuts to police funding haven't even gone into effect yet. Why are these mayors, and de Blasio in particular, allowing these great cities to go down like this?
Well, listen, you have a radical left-wing mayor that is supporting Black Lives Matter and supporting Antifa, told his police department to take a light touch in dealing with the protests that turned into riots that devastated the city. He let hundreds, if not a couple thousand people off Rikers Island and sent them home, some of them very major violent criminals. He has he's cut back 600 positions on the plainclothes anti-crime unit, which is primarily responsible for taking guns off the streets and going after violent criminals in progress. These are every step he has taken, every move he has made has been done in an attempt to diminish the police department. And as a result, now you see the end result of what's happening.
Bernie, this is hurting minorities the most, though. I mean, the violence we're seeing, particularly in the urban centers of these cities, it's outrageous. And there seems to be, no one has any compassion on the fallout here. 72% rise in shootings in New York City in the last 7 months. How can this just go on? How does the mayor explain this?
Well, the mayor basically explains that right now he's saying it's COVID. He's saying that people are leaving New York City in droves and moving to other states as a result of COVID. COVID is a virus. COVID is temporary. Nobody's going to leave their home, move out of New York City permanently because of a virus. Nobody's going to do that. Right. But people are moving out of New York City because they're scared to death. Shootings are up. Robberies are up. Murder is up. All these things are happening over the last several months, and this mayor is doing absolutely nothing about it. And I have to put some of the blame, Raymond, on the governor. He sees what's happening. He understands it. He gets it. Governor Cuomo was around in the 80s and early 90s when Giuliani and I and others came into office and had to change New York City and reduce the violent crime and murder. He knows how to get it done, how it got done. And he's doing nothing about de Blasio's failure in leadership as it stands today.
Bernie, I thank you for that. I thank you for your incredible work in restoring New York. I hope sanity prevails again. Thank you for being with us.